Right, so Miele Revolution 5000, these things are renowned for having problems with the contacts in here, but this one is strangely different. That is not the actual problem. I've checked it all the cables and contacts everywhere are absolutely fine. There is a problem with either this circuit board or the one in this handle here that controls that circuit board. So what happens is, if I plug this hose in, the power light dims and starts flashing, and as you go to turn it on, it does nothing. No buttons do anything. The only way to turn it on is either by pushing the reset button, which obviously isn't a solution, because as soon as you plug the hose in it goes off anyway, because it's only there to, you know, reset the board. Hold this, and plugging this in seems to work, and it comes on, and all the speed adjustments seem to work absolutely fine, although all the lights on here strangely dim sometimes, and all the lights on here dim as soon as I plug this hose in and as soon as it draws any power from the low voltage circuit. So my guess is it's this board here that's fried somehow. So I have ordered another one. Also, you cannot use a powered brush with this, because as soon as you go to turn it on, it just kills the whole thing. It doesn't know what to do. And the controller on here controls this relay for the powered brush. As you can see, by the way, it looks like there's something missing there. It's not. All of them look like that. These two neutrals, strangely, it switches the neutral, not the live. The live's permanently connected, constantly. It switches that neutral, but the board's not telling the relay to switch. The relay works, it's just the board's not telling it to turn on. So temporarily, I've jumped these two neutrals, which means that as soon as you plug the machine in, the brush will be on, which is better than not having it at all. I will update this video when I get the new board.
Let the bitch drop!
Right, it's a few days later. The new circuit board has arrived. Don't try this at home, but so it is a problem with this. That is mad. I will try and figure out what it is, because it's handy information. Because these are getting old now, but they are really good and they are worth fixing. But yeah, that was the problem, I was right. But I have actually ordered another hose off Beko 1987. And when that comes, I'll show you that in action too, because the power button on this disintegrated. But apparently the one that Sam has, that he sent me, the contacts are bad, but the contacts in here are fine. So I can make one really good hose out of these two. And I've got a perfectly functioning vacuum. We'll try and have a look at this, see what's wrong. But yeah, and also when you turn the brush roll on, you can actually hear the relay click. So that's good. I am thrilled. I know I don't sound thrilled, but I'm tired. I'm always tired. And the first time for this, I was pissed. So, you're never going to see me normal.
Good evening, Ozzy.
What?
Good evening, Ozzy.
Hello there.
Right, so the new hose has come. I've switched parts around so all the best parts are together now, and it works absolutely fine. Nothing disconnects. Stays on. You can actually turn it off. We do have a power head and a proper wand. So I've got a complete working Miele apart from small tools. I've only got this, which is a slightly worn upholstery tool. But that's alright, I can get some more. I do actually have a Miele S510, which I made a video on about a year ago. And I still have that, so I can borrow the tools from that if I want to use this. Which I will be using a lot, because it's a very good machine. So yeah, cheers for that, Sam. I made a comment under one of his videos, I can't remember what video. But I said, I've just got a Miele Revolution, I'm stumped. The contacts and the hose are fine, but it's got a number of problems. And he was like, ooh, I've got a spare hose, do you want that? And I was like, ooh, yes, sure. And I was like, ooh, yes, what's the damage, John? And he sent it immediately. 25 quid later. I mean, that's very cheap for one of these hoses, because you can't get them at all. And that's PCB, it was like a tenner, I think. And the whole machine was 20. Like, all this. I can't remember how much that was. And that's separate as well. So I've bought a lot of stuff to get this thing complete and working, and I have, and I'm very happy about it. Could do with a proper polish. I've put some of that Vuplex stuff on it, and that seems to have worked fine. It's not a full refurb off me yet, because obviously you need to get it working first. But this is the before refurb and fixing video, so you can't complain. There's a bit of filth in there, and quite a full bag because I've been using the fucking shite out of it. Because I've been using it. So yeah, again, cheers, Sam. So yeah, there's quite a lot of dirt in there. I've been using it a lot, and to be honest, the refurb's probably going to take a while, because I'm going to be using it quite a lot anyway. I'll show you the power head working. A nice one.
Right. Where's some pornography?
Rocket engines